Hi, my name is PK Dhingra. I am a student of Classic Trading course offered by Mr. Afzal Lokhandwala, and I'm very grateful to him for the knowledge that he has imparted as part of this education. I've been in the stock markets for about 14 years and have been actively trading for about last 2 years without making much money and thankfully not losing much either. But Afzal's course really showed me everything that I had been doing wrong, right from executing on hope trades to improper risk management, and above all, lack of suitable trading psychology for being a successful trader. Um, Needless to say, his guidance has been invaluable for me to adapt my trading strategy and being able to execute trades far more confidently and far more calmly. Uh, Afzal has also posted his golden nuggets for trading psychology and risk management on his YouTube channel for free. I strongly recommend that you go and view those videos. In my case, the course paid for itself in less than a week. I found it extremely useful and I hope others will benefit from it too.